Two full 20.
2 full ones.
Oh, 2 full ones.
Then we'll have 3 cuts.
Wait, 2 full halves?
No, 2 full sheets. Yeah. 2 full halves. That's another confusing way, huh?
Ready?
Yep.
It's a lot shorter over here. Ready?
Yeah.
1, 2.
There's one. Alright, I'm ready.
1, 2. Good?
Yep.
All right.